Hello. The spear is one of the oldest known tools created by humans. Examples have been found dating back 400,000 years, and their use continues throughout the world today. Predominantly, they were utilized in hunting, and thus played a significant role in the daily fight for survival of our ancestors and their development to humans today. For 330,000 years of their use, these were purely a sharpened wooden pole. Due to the poor preservation of organic materials in the archaeological record, minimal evidence of these survives today, and thus our understanding of them is quite limited. One of the few ways of investigating this technology is through experimental reconstruction. This is based on the few examples that have survived. Unfortunately, experimental reconstruction has many limitations. It's time-consuming, expensive, often limited to very small sample sizes. It has many uncontrolled variables, and it's hard to reproduce. Simulation modeling has the ability to overcome many of these limitations, and as such, it's been utilized extensively in many fields, including engineering. The aim of this project is to apply simulation modeling to archaeology, specifically to investigate spear use in the past. To achieve this, we are building a simulation model which will have the impact of a wooden spear on an animal target. This will be calibrated using a series of experiments which will fire replica spears from an air cannon into an animal target. The control and repeatability that simulation provides will allow the production of results that are more reliable and scientifically rigorous than would be able to be produced through experimental replication alone. The model will be intentionally broad. The ease with which it can be modified will allow it to be applied to any question related to spear use, irregardless of the time period. As such, it overcomes one of the #1 flaws with experimental research, that of the very specific nature of the results. Experimental research has provided useful and interesting information, but ultimately it has been limited by the unreliability and the uncertainty regarding the results. Through this project and the model being created, this uncertainty can be removed, and it can allow us to greatly increase our knowledge of this important technology that was critical to our development, but it leaves such little trace in the archaeological record. Thank you very much.